Yo, you got a mic, child. Speak to me now, you ignorant fool.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
You short child. You're all tiny. Suicide bomb. Suicide bomb. Suicide bomb. Kill yourself. Use a grenade. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Why are you dancing, BJ? I'm trying to tell him to kill himself. If there's grenades in there, kill yourself. There's no grenades. Kill yourself. No, I don't like you. The person playing the game may like you, but I hate you. You're ugly as shit. Get away from me. I don't like you. Kill yourself. Use some grenades. Go die. Go kill yourself. Use some grenades and die. Go, leave the game, leave the game, leave the game, please, leave the game, get out of my game, leave the game, you suck at the game, you suck at the game, leave the game, nobody likes you, no one loves you, kill yourself.
5 minutes later.
Kill yourself, get out the game, kill yourself.
2 hours later.
Leave the game. Leave the game. I don't like you. What? Wait, what'd you say? I was busy telling this nigga to leave the game.
Nah, bro, I didn't do shit.
Leave the game. You're racist. You hate black people.
Stop it. Get some help.
You're not leaving the game because you think I'm your slave because I'm black.
What the fuck?
Wow, that's so racist. Oh wow, so you're making my cousin clean the floor because he's Puerto Rican. You think Puerto Rican people always have to clean, eh?
What did you say now?
Wow, get out. You're racist. BJ, he's racist. Leave the game. Kill yourself. Oh, take the grenades. Kill yourself, BJ. BJ, kill yourself. Please. 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 Yes.
Really, nigga?
Don't revive me. Don't. Stop. Get away. Get away. You're racist. Get away. Get away. Don't revive me. No. No. Yes. I want to burn alive. No. What are you playing? What? What? Ever, nigga. Nobody asked you. Don't revive him. Listen. Listen, the person playing the game is not me, that is my cousin. I want you to have him have the worst match of Fortnite in his whole existence, okay? I need you to make him do stupid stuff, carry him around the map, only heal him sometimes. Don't kill him at all, let him live. Basically torture him by having him do stupid stuff and not shoot people. Yep, try and, yes, heal. No, don't let him die, don't let him die, don't let him die. Yes. This is great. This is great. This is the life. You know what, I like you a little bit more now. Watching my cousin suffer. No, don't heal him, don't heal him. He's saying please, but don't do it, don't. Sacrifice him, please. Sacrifice.
Yes, Mom.
Sacrifice. Kill him. You died, BJ.
What?
Don't take his reboot card either. Well, you can take it. Just don't revive him. Okay? Don't reboot him. I'm trying to whisper right. He can hear me. Just take his card and don't reboot. Why'd you leave the match, BJ?
What do you think? You told him to kill me.
Funny. I want to play a Spider-Man game. You got that on your PS4?